Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra and right now I'm standing near the Marine Drive. This is the Domuhani River. Swanrekha and Kharkai River meet over here, so we call this river as Domuhani River. We came here to check the water level of this river because for the past two days we have been experiencing continuous rainfall, heavy rainfall in parts of Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, India. Let me show you the current of the water. It's really fast. It's going really fast. The water is going really fast, and if they open up the dams of Chandel, then who knows, this Marine Drive will be flooded. Those people over there are catching the fish. Let me show you. Let's zoom in. They are the fishermen. Let's focus on with the nets, and everybody is coming over here to check the water level because currently the rainfall just stopped.